In this video, we are going to learn how to solve this JAMB commerce problems under production. So we're going to focus on the subtopic factors of production, and we have about 18 to 20 repeated questions to practice with the video. Let's get started. The first question I have here says the type of activity which turns processed raw materials into consumer and industrial goods is described as. So the right answer to this question is manufacturing, option A. Okay. Next repeated question. Next repeated question in this one. It says land as a factor of production does not vary in quantity, option B. Next question. The conversion of raw materials into finished goods leads to the creation of home utilities, option C. Very important. Next question. Production involves the manufacturing of goods and provisions of services, the assembly of all necessary parts to produce the finished goods, changing the form of goods, moving and making them available as needed, making goods available where and when needed. The right answer is option C. Changing the form of goods, moving and making them available as needed. Okay, the next question. The conversion of raw material into finished goods creates form utility. This is the option B is the right answer here. Next question. Land as a factor of production does not vary in quantity. Option C, the right answer here. Next question. In the long run, all factors of production are real, constant, variable, fixed, margin. The right answer is option B, they are variable. Okay, next question is this one. It says the process of changing the form of a new material is known as, we have production, extraction, conversion, fabrication. Let's read the question again. The process of changing the form of a new material is known as, so the right answer is option D, fabrication. Next question. Factors of production can be described as we have monetary tools employed by government to ensure stable production, elements involved in the process of formulating policies on production, skills involved in deciding and directing the flow of goods, resources required for provision of goods and services. So the right answer to this question is option D. Factors of production can be described as the resources required for the provision of goods and services. Next question is one. So the factor of production that is subject to depreciation is capital, option D. That's the right answer to this question, guys. So capital can depreciate whereas land can appreciate. Okay, so in factors of production, land and capital in terms of future outputs are opposite. Why capital can depreciate in the future, land can appreciate in the future. Okay, next question is one. It says which of the following industry is normally located near the source of its raw material? So it's cement industry, guys, option B. Next question. Secondary production has to do with changing the real nature of raw materials through manufacturing process, physical form of raw materials into finished goods, shape of raw materials through consumption operation, utility of raw materials by an engineering process. The right answer is option B, physical form of raw materials into finished goods. Okay, next question. The primary motive behind an individual engaging in production is to willfully engage all the factors of production, meet projected profit, make available goods and services, meet basic human needs. So the right answer to this question is option B, meet projected profit. Next question. An important factor that influences the location of cement industry in an area is its natural resources, option B. Okay, next question. It says the reward of rent, wages, interest, profits accrue from. So the reward for land is rent. This is correct. The reward for labor is wages. This is correct. The reward for capital is interest. This is correct. The reward for entrepreneurship is profit. So the right answer is option A. This is the one that matches what we have here in the question respectively. These are the respective rewards. This is option A. Okay, so that's the right answer. This question is this one. It says one of these is not a major in the production process. So consumers, option D is not a major. Next question. The creation of utilities to satisfy human wants is referred to as production. Okay, that's the right answer, option B. Next question. The making of doors from timber planks is a type of secondary production, option D. Next question. Resources obtained from the extractive sector that are transformed into finished products are examples of secondary production, option B. The next question, the last one. One of the major determinants of the volume of production is the market side, option C. So guys, this basically can do a problem involving factors of production for your JAMB. Come out to practice with about 18 to 20 questions for this subtopic. Hope you learn something interesting from the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of this video. So like, share and comment on this video, tell me how you feel, what I learned from the video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask, I don't know what I talked about in the video, feel free to the quiz and comment section below, and I share the video response. Also ensure that part of the channel membership by clicking the JAMB button and getting information ahead with yourself. It's not exam like a JAMB and other exam you're writing. Okay, so having known this, click on the next button and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.